Yo, yo. Good morning guys. Dito kami sa isang hotel dito sa may kabilang base natin. Pero mamaya may surprise ako sa kanila, may pupuntahan tayo. Kasi yung anak ko nag-aaya ng mag-fishing. So actually first time namin maglaro ng fishing. Wala akong idea kung paano namin laruin. Wala akong it's first time talaga namin siya banata kung paano namin lalaruin. Ganun naman talaga sa una, mali. Basta as long as work, it's not wrong. Alright, talaga. Kaya maghanap akong spot mamaya kung saan tayo pwede mag-fishing. Dito. Where are we going mamaya? Mag-fishing tayo, na? Where are we going?
Fishing.
Fishing. Meron tayong fishing rod na like that one.
I have a toy too.
Anong toy?
No, my toy. My fishing.
Did you bring it ba? Why? Ba't di mo dinala? Kaya ngayon, mag-swimming muna kami. Swimming muna tayo. Alright, oh. High five.
This.
Ha? Fishing muna tayo.
No.
Ay, fishing or swimming?
Swimming.
Alright, let's say, what will you do? Ellie, dito.
Swimming.
Swimming first, then fishing. Gusto mong kumain?
No.
Swimming agad, swimming.
No. Yes.
Soft rain falls on the front porch swing. Midnight breeze makes the pine trees sing. Memories dance in the fire's light, like echoes lost in the quiet night. Winds may change, rivers may run, but I still wait for what's undone. Every sunset, every spark still keeps your name inside my heart. Blueprints faded in the red clay dust. Two hearts once strong now turn to rust. You took the road, left me behind. Now I chase ghosts in the Georgia pines. Winds may change, rivers may run, but I still wait for what's undone. Every sunset, every spark still keeps your name inside my heart. Maybe time will dim the flame, but I'll still smile when I hear your name. Till then I'll sit where we once stayed, watching fire turn to gray.
Wait for me.
Yo, alis na kami. Mag-check out na kami. Let's go! Tinapay ka na. Check out na kami. Magpipishing kami today. Ang aking ito. Let's go, alis na tayo.
Baby,
Let's go, alis na tayo. Maghanap tayo ng spot para makapag-fishing tayo mamaya-maya. Pero kain muna tayo. Let's go, kasama na aking pamilya yun. Yan, tatlo lang kami. Kaya maghanap kami ng spot location para mag-fishing. That's all. Thank you.
Coming right up. Say bye. Let's go. Oh!
The camera.
Go, go. Slippers ko.
Like my voice when I told you I was leaving. Pack my bag up, sick of home. Never homesick down that road. In my room by the moon with no ceiling. I was driving in a van that was older than 9+5, hitting Kanye West off the tip of Argentina. Better than drowning engine. Ain't got no sick to blame instead of my reflection. So I dreamt I packed it all like Anderson to end up where it all began. I was going up the coast in a minivan that broke like my voice when I told you I was leaving. Pack my bag up, sick of home. Never homesick down that road. In my room by the moon with no ceiling. With the one I live in Brooklyn. With a view from my apartment. No more homies on the block light. On the corner like a stoplight. Yeah. I'm a ghost they never knows. Hey. Never showed up for the show biz. Took it back at the beginning. When I knew when I was singing. Yeah. I was going up the coast in a minivan that broke like my voice when I told you I was leaving. Pack my bag up, sick of home. Never homesick down that road. In my room by the moon with no ceiling.
Dito na kami nakahanap ng spot. Siguro dito na rin kami mag-fishing. Yan. Ewan namin kung anong meron dito. Pero willing kami maghanap kung meron man. Siguro sa tataya namin 100 may mananalong isa. No? Kaya mamaya mag-prepare lang ako ng mga pang-fishing namin. Kaya go na to. Let's go. Angas! Halika na. Mag-fishing ka na, Ellie. Dito, check your video. So guys, let's go. Yo, nandito na kami. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung drone shot. 1, 2, 3, go.
Faint headlights on a lonesome street. Soft wind hums a worn out beat. Moonlight paints the field so wide, but you're not walking by my side. Every mile, every sign brings me back to what was mine. Love still lingers in the air, but I turn, you're not there. Faded letters on the old barn door. Footsteps echo, but not yours. Silence sings the songs we knew. Now the night just feels so blue. Every mile, every sign brings me back to what was mine. Love still lingers.
No. Like that only. Yan.
For the fish.
Yan. Kami lang nandito. Wala na iba. Kami lang. Yan. Tingnan mo. Nagpi-fishing siya. Nagpi-fishing ka, Ellie?
Yes.
Can I check it? Wow, ang galing oh. No. Wag muna.
Hi! Gulo ka na naman.
Wait mo na lang yan ha. Wait mo. Baka mamaya meron ka nang mahuli. No? Small fish or big? Ano kun?
It's not bigger here.
It's not bigger here? Anong gusto mo? Small lang? Small fish lang only. Alright, let's go. Yo. fish out tayo ngayon, men. Kaso kaya tatay nahuli, pero okay lang yun. Sumukal tayo na 100, manalo man ng isa, salamat na rin yun. Salamat sa ganito experience, dahil minsan lang naman ako magpunta rito, ngayon lang din. Salamat sa experience. Next time babawi tayo, kuha tayo mas maraming isda. Alright, let's go. Nandun na yung mag-ina ko, nandun na, sa harapan na. Ganun talaga, normal naman sa buhay yung ganito. Pero yung experience, solid. Lalo pagkasama mag-ina mo, amen. Solid. So, fish out tayo ngayon. Let's go. Alright. Salamat sa good spot na to. Bawi na lang tayo susunod, guys. Alright. Sa mga first time, pasensya na kayo, first time ko kasi mag fishing. Pasensya na kung may mali, pero as long as work, it's not wrong. Alright, bawi tayo next time, dahil alam nyo may next time pa. Alright, let's go. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. Paalam, bye bye na kayo, Ellie.
Bye, vlog.
Bye-bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Hanggang sa muli, peace out.